Title: Casanova sentenced to over 15 years in prison for racketeering and narcotics. Date: Wed Jun 28, 2023. In a landmark ruling today, infamous criminal mastermind known as Casanova was sentenced to over 15 years in prison for charges related to racketeering and narcotics. The case has been closely followed by both law enforcement officials and the public due to the notorious reputation of the defendant. Casanova, whose real name is withheld due to legal restrictions, was found guilty on multiple charges, including engaging in organized criminal activities and orchestrating a vast narcotics network spanning across several cities. The investigation, which lasted for several years, uncovered a complex web of illegal activities involving drug trafficking, money laundering, and various other criminal offenses. The sentencing took place in a heavily secured courtroom, with a judge presiding over the case. The prosecution presented irrefutable evidence, including witness testimonies, wiretap conversations, and the recovery of large sums of illicit money and narcotics. This robust evidence corroborated the alleged criminal activities orchestrated by Casanova. During the trial, the prosecution provided a detailed account of how Casanova had meticulously operated a well-structured criminal organization that propagated drugs, primarily narcotics of various types. The network operated on an extensive scale, contributing to the distribution of illicit substances in multiple regions. Furthermore, the prosecution skillfully demonstrated Casanova's involvement in racketeering activities. Testimonies from witnesses and the examination of financial records exposed a network of corruption, extortion, and coercion. It was revealed that Casanova had exploited the vulnerabilities of individuals and businesses, compelling them to operate for his benefit. In light of the overwhelming evidence, the judge handed down a severe sentence of over 15 years in prison. The ruling reflects the seriousness of the crimes committed by Casanova and serves as a strong deterrent to others involved in organized criminal activities. The courtroom was tense as the judge pronounced the judgment, and the public reaction was mixed. While many expressed relief that justice was served, others questioned the sentence, believing it to be too lenient given the severity of the offenses. The successful conviction of Casanova demonstrates the dedication and perseverance of law enforcement agencies in their ongoing efforts to dismantle organized crime networks. By bringing this notable criminal to justice, they have made significant strides in creating safer communities. As Casanova is led away to begin serving his sentence, law enforcement officials and legal experts now anticipate that his incarceration will have a profound impact on dismantling associated criminal networks and disrupt the overall narcotics trade in the region. The sentencing of Casanova not only highlights the unwavering commitment of law enforcement but also serves as a reminder that no one is above the law. It sends a clear message to criminals who engage in similar illegal activities that they will be held accountable for their actions. As the story unfolds, it will be interesting to see the ripple effects this ruling may have across the criminal landscape, further illustrating the determination to break down organized crime and protect communities from the harm caused by such illicit activities.
Pulse of the Street Radio FM. We're about the culture, don't you confuse it.